I just got the MYNT3D Super 3D pen, and well, today we're going to be unboxing it, and I'm going to be reviewing it and trying it out, and from what I've heard, this is a pretty good pen, so yeah, without further ado, let's do this. Okay, so I've just opened the box for this, and it comes with the regular manuals, a cable for it, so it's just a standard charging block and everything, and then the pen, and then something that I did not know that it came with was tiny filament spools, like the tiniest amount that you can get, but it's there, so it's pretty cool. Came with a lot more than I thought, like just specifically this. And over there, I also have some extras. I don't know if you can see that on top of my MYNT3D PLA spools that I was going to use for this, but I guess it already comes with some, so that's pretty cool. And yeah, I'm going to set this thing up and then probably just start testing it. So once I plugged everything in and had everything going, I started printing some stuff. And these are two of the things I made, and next I'm going to be making a house, so here that is. So here is the 3D pen house in all of its glory. It is probably the best thing that I have made with a 3D pen, considering that this is one of my first times using one. And honestly, a 3D pen is something really fun to just mess around with and goof off with. So yeah, now it's time for the review. So after everything that I've made with this 3D pen, the house, and everything in between, I would say this 3D pen is one of the best that I've used, and it is a 9 out of 10, super good, but the only reason I really got one is because I'm making big props and I would need this to mend stuff together. That is a good reason to get one, because it is the same material as the actual print itself, which makes it just mend everything together so good. And not gonna lie, even if you're making small stuff just to mess around with it, it is so much fun to use. It is awesome, amazing, and I got this as a birthday gift, so I didn't really spend my own money, but it's good. It's cheap, affordable, amazing, an amazing 3D pen. And well, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thank you. Bye.